Today, I'll show you how to cancel your Dropbox subscription step by step so you know exactly what to expect and how to make sure it's fully cancelled. We'll go through the process on the Dropbox website, and by the end, you'll know how to complete the cancellation and confirm it's gone through. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Log in with your Dropbox account credentials, just like you normally would. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you have more than one, so you don't accidentally change the wrong subscription. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your avatar there, which might be a profile picture if you've added one, or just your initials inside a small circle. Click on that avatar to open a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, choose the option labeled Manage Account. This will take you to your account settings area where all of your personal details and plan information are managed. Give the page a moment to load if your connection is a bit slow. On the account management page, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a navigation menu there. Click on the section labeled Subscription. This is where Dropbox shows your current plan, billing details, and options related to upgrading, downgrading, or cancelling. In the subscription section, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. If you're currently on a paid plan or a trial, you should see an option that says either cancel plan or cancel trial. That's the button you'll need to click to start the cancellation process. Now, there is an important detail to be aware of. If your account is already on Dropbox Basic, which is the free plan, you will not see a cancel plan option on this screen. That's because there's no paid subscription attached to that account anymore. In that case, there's nothing for you to cancel. You're already on the free tier. If you do see the cancel option, click it. Dropbox will guide you through a series of prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to choose a reason for cancelling, such as not needing the service anymore or switching to another tool. Answer these prompts honestly, then continue clicking through each screen. Make sure you move through every page in this cancellation flow. Don't stop halfway or simply close the tab because the subscription might remain active. Continue until you see a final confirmation message on screen stating that your plan has been cancelled or scheduled to end at the end of the current billing period. After that, check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Dropbox. This message is your proof that the cancellation has been processed. Once you've seen both the on-screen confirmation and the email, you can be confident your Dropbox subscription is fully cancelled.